Hello everyone, my name is Naz and I welcome back to my channel Naz Parshala. So today one of the best story I have taken for you that you can learn English through stories. You can learn through story is tenses, vocabulary and the way we are reading it. Right? So let's start the new story, The Boon of Lord Shiva. So let's start. Once upon a time, there lived two princes in a large kingdom. Both were ambitious. One day, both the brothers decided to win the whole world and become the Vishwavijeta. For such a great work, hard labor had to be done. One of the princes, one of the prince put great stress on getting more strength. Second prince happily said, I know very well about the source of strength. Tell me about it. I'm very much eager to know it. Insisted the first prince. We have to pray to Lord Shiva. If he will be pleased, he will provide us the strength. Thus, the decision had been taken, and both left for Kailash mountain for deep prayers. Both the princes spent months in penance and prayers. Lord Shiva was very impressed and appeared before the dedicated princes. The princes were surprised to see the Lord in front of them. Lord Shiva said with a smile, I am pleased with your dedication. I will grant you one wish. As the princes were very much delighted to see Lord Shiva, they forgot their aim. They started singing and dancing. In the presence of Lord Shiva, this pleased the god. He smiled and said to them, O my sons, what are your wishes? The princes were not in fact in their senses. So they said to the Lord Shiva, we wish Parvati to be our own. The Lord, the Lord was disappointed to hear such a wish, but according to his promise, he fulfilled their wish. Both the princes got Parvati. She was very beautiful. Both the brothers were so attracted towards her that they tried to make her their own. Both started arguing about this. After getting no result, they went to a wise man for the solution. The wise man said to them, you both are brave fighters. So you fight, the one who wins make them Parvati his own. Thus the princes agreed with the wise man and were ready to fight each other. They attacked, they attacked and wounded each other. At last they killed each other and got nothing. So this is a story. If you will fight, if you will not make your senses what is the good or bad for you, then you will just finish your life like this. So always try to use your mind what is good and bad for you. So thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please hit the bell icon for more updating videos. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Naz Parshala. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.